How to fix Spotify not playing songs on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get Spotify back to playing music on your Android device. First, check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as a weak or dropped connection is one of the most common reasons Spotify stops playing. After that, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your current network. From there, go to your home screen and long press on the Spotify app icon. At this point, tap on App Info or the I button to go directly to the app settings page. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be preventing songs from loading. Following this, go back to the app info page and tap on permissions to check that all necessary permissions are granted. Make sure storage and microphone are both set to allow. Once done, go back to the app info page and tap on battery to open the battery settings for Spotify. From here, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted or not optimized so your device isn't cutting off Spotify in the background to save power. At this stage, go back to your home screen and swipe away Spotify from your recent apps to fully close it. Finally, restart your phone completely, and once it boots back up, open Spotify again and try playing a song to see if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Spotify not playing songs on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.